Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics license, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you, two slides, and before we'll get to the pedigree, a quick definition question. The ABO blood system, where a person can be either blood type A, blood type B, blood type AB, or blood type O, depending on their genotype, is an example of which type of inheritance, and here is a variance to choose from. So in the ABO blood group system, we have three alleles: allele A, allele B, and allele O. And allele A and B are codominant, and both these alleles are dominant over the allele O. So allele O is going to be recessive to both allele B and A. So these three alleles can make four blood groups: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Blood group A, this is phenotype, can be made by two genotypes A and AO. We say by two alleles AA or AO. Blood group B can be made by also two genotypes B and BO by combination of these alleles. And blood group AB can be made by only one genotype, which is AB, combination of the allele A and B. And blood group O also genotypically only can be represented by single genotype O. So now we have a whole picture: three alleles make four blood groups, which are made by six genotypes. And we call this system, we call these alleles codominant. Those, as you see, it's not 100% true, because allele A and B are codominant, but they both are dominant over the allele O. And allele O is recessive to both allele B and A. But still we call this as compromise codominance system of allele interaction. Now let's move to the next slide. And here's a question. From the information you have, what are the potential phenotypes of the person number 1 in the green box? So here's the person number 1, and we have to find what potential blood group this person can be. On this pedigree, family history of the mother of the person 1 is not shown, but family history of the father of the person 1 is shown. We know he is the parents, and father belongs to the blood group A, mother belongs to the blood group O. And blood group O is made by only one genotype, which is OO. So we know that genotype of this person have to be OO. We know that this person inherited A allele from the father side. We don't know whether father AA or AO. We know that he inherited this allele A from the father side. That means that genotype of this person have to be AO, because from the mother side this person only can inherit O allele. So now we know the genotype of this person. Now what we can say about mother of the person 1, we know that she belongs to the blood group B, but blood group B can be made by two genotypes B and another BO. Here we have two alleles of the same kind, here we have two different alleles. So this variant would give us more variant of the blood group for the child of this couple, child of this person. So we are going to use this genotype because it can give us more variants. Let's build simple Punnett square. So we know that genotype of the father is AO. So here's a sign for the father, and mother's genotype would be here on the side, BO. And now let's build simple Punnett square, and we can see what genotypes and phenotypes are possible in the progeny. A, B here, B, O here, A, O here, and O here. So this couple may have children of all 4 blood groups: blood group AB, blood group B, blood group A, and blood group O. Hence, the correct answer is A. All 4 blood groups are possible for person 1. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.